Hi everyone, I'm gonna do another cooking video for you guys again. So I'm gonna cook a chicken curry today. So these are, I've got 3 small onions, pepper, ginger, garlic, green chili, and these are the spices that I'm gonna use. I just added a bit of oil in the pan. So now I have added 1 block of garlic, 1 block of ginger, and I have put 4 cloves, 4 green cardamom, 3 cinnamon stick, and 2 pieces of bay leaf chopped in half. Green chili is also added. I have just added the onions and I'm gonna add salt to taste. The onions color is getting golden. Now it's time to add the spices, and I will also add the pepper as well. I've just added 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of ground mixed spice, chili powder to taste, less than half tablespoon of ground coriander, and less than half tablespoon of Zeera powder. After 5 minutes of adding the spice, I'm adding the pepper. I have just added the pepper. I gave a good mix. Now I'm going to add a little bit of hot water and cook for another 5 minutes. The spices are cooked perfectly. Now it's time to put the chicken in. Just adding the chicken. I have added the chicken, gave a good mix, and gave little bit of hot water, and this will cook for another 15 to 20 minutes and it will be done. So the chicken is cooked now, so I'm just adding some cilantro, frozen ones, which we actually buy in bulk and then we freeze it. Chicken curry cooked and ready to be served.